Losing money in the stock market is hard. It can be debilitating, it can be humiliating, and it can feel like a gut punch, especially when you've been working so hard and you've done so well, and then it disappears nearly overnight. My name's Jody Jacobs. I'm the founder and CEO of MarketStart. We're here to help you recover your stock market losses. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel where we give you a ton of helpful tips for investing in the stock market, whether you are a new or seasoned investor. There are 3 crucial steps that you can take right now to start recovering your stock market losses. The first one, and you're probably not going to like this, but the first one is to start small. So if you're starting over from the beginning, you're going to start small. Chances are, if you lost a ton of money, you probably made a lot of money pretty fast. So the reason why you want to start small is because sometimes maybe in the beginning when you were making a lot of money really fast, you made some mistakes and you didn't record those mistakes. So maybe you're not exactly sure what went wrong or where. So that's why we're going to start small, because we're going to learn from our mistakes. Step number 2, when you're recovering stock market losses, you are going to take profit when you tell yourself you're going to take profit. If you have a goal of taking a 20% profit when you buy a stock, stick to that goal. Don't keep moving your stop loss around. Don't keep checking to see if it's going up, if it's going up, if it's going back down. Just get out of the stock, take your profit, and put the focus somewhere else. Or if you're going to actually get back into the stock, which I don't really recommend, but if you have a golden stock that you know is just going to keep going up for whatever reason, you've done your fundamental, you've done your technical homework, and you know it's going to keep going up, then at least take profit and then get back in. But again, I don't recommend that. Look for another stock to get into. Try out a different strategy. Try out a new strategy on a different stock. Make a plan when you get into a stock and stick to that plan, AKA stick to your profit-taking strategy. Step number 3, you are going to journal your investments. Now, this is not just about writing down numbers and doing math. It's about writing down your emotional journey of why you bought a stock, why you got out, and when. Because if you are just tracking numbers, if you're just doing math, you're not really going to learn from your mistakes. So again, track or journal your wins and losses. You don't want to just journal why you lost money on a stock. You also want to journal when you made money on a stock, because that's what's going to help you continue making money on a stock. And journaling, and this probably goes without saying, but journaling on why you lost money on a stock is obviously going to prevent you from losing more money on a stock. So those are 3 small steps that you can start taking today to start recovering your stock market losses. If you want to read my full guide on recovering stock market losses, head over to my profile, click on that link, and download the guide today. It's absolutely 100% free. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below.